Hello friends, I'm going to talk about the importance of Retell lecture series of Pearson Test of English Academic. Whenever you attempt Retell lecture section of Pearson Test of English Academic, you have to keep in mind you have to listen to the entire lecture by taking notes. First of all, list out the key concepts or key ideas or key phrases or key words used by the speaker. Ensure that you take down all those important ideas in the step-by-step manner. You have to sequence these ideas when you're going to start your speaking. Remember, you will have less than 10 seconds to respond to it. You'll have just 10 seconds and then you have to speak for about 40 seconds about whatever you have listened to. Now, you should be able to form sentences which are grammatically correct, and you have to use C1 and C2 level vocabulary to demonstrate that you have the ability to rephrase the entire lecture. It's also quite important to synthesize your sentences and demonstrate to the testing agency that you are capable of connecting ideas, or rather synthesize sentences in a meaningful way. So your style of expression has to be appropriate. At the same time, it should be very relevant. And you should sum up the entire lecture in not more than 10 sentences. So you should create, say, around 9 to 10 sentences without any errors, grammatical errors, or errors in the stress patterns, etc. So how do you do it? You will have to ensure that every sentence is spoken with appropriate stress, sentence stress and word stress. You have to employ C1 and C2 level vocabulary. It's important that you don't repeat any of the words which are mentioned once in your talk. So it's good to remember a group of words associated with certain themes. So the best thing to practice is that you should spend a lot of time listening to video lectures available online. You can just type a Cambridge lecture series or Harvard lecture series, the lectures delivered at Stanford, or you can even listen to radios online and listen to any of these programs where lectures are there. And my suggestion to you is, after every minute, pause that, or stop that, and try to, retell on your own. Record all that you speak. The best thing is you record and listen to your own voice. How do you really retell the entire lecture? Is there anything that you can improve upon it? Reflect. So you have to reflect every time you listen to your own, you sum up. So that is going to help you in a very big way. Get the guidance of an expert who could possibly help you to understand how to express your ideas or your summary. And it is always good that you respond within the given time. If you don't speak for 3 seconds, the mic will be off in the Pearson Test of English Academic. So it's better that you're aware of it and you practice it. Continuous practice of listening to various talks and retelling them will help you in a very big way. I think I've done the best to make you understand some of the strategies that I make use of in my classrooms. Generally, what I do with my trainees is that I sit with them, I play an audio clip, and I ensure that they listen to it completely, and they have to speak about the same for about 35 to 40 seconds. In the exam, you only 40 seconds narration, so you have to really finish it by 38 or 39 seconds. So that is what I recommend my trainees to practice. If you do it regularly, if you can have a recorder to record the Retell lecture series on your own and replay it, and just have a piece of paper where you can note down the words that you have mispronounced and check a talking dictionary on the pronunciation and ensure that you pronounce each of those words correctly. What else can you do? You can also see the grammatical accuracy, subject-verb agreement, use of prepositions, the use of collocations, and the use of usage in your speech. I hope all these tips will help you in a very big way to achieve the best Wish you all success. Good luck to you.